I'm gonna let you cats know out there in YouTube, the honing block y'all using, the stone, whatever y'all want to call it, it's not working. Get this, go on eBay, razor and clipper blade sharpening hone. 500 grit on one side, 800 on the other one. 5 to smooth out the rough edges, 800, what is it, 800 to fine finishing, smoothing and polishing, cutting edges. Yeah, that's what it is. And I'll get your clippers shining just like this. Shine bright like a diamond. See that? All around. That's for your clippers. That's the bottom blade. This is the top blade. Shine.